Are you struggling as a day trader with losing trades? Well, let me help you in this video of how to overcome losing trades, okay? Because there's a couple things that you need to change with your mindset. But real quick, my name is Jason. I've been day trading for 23 plus years, and I want to help share my knowledge to you. So let's jump right into it. If you are struggling dealing with losers while day trading, okay, and getting very emotional over how that you just put the trade on, everything's set up, and you lost money, well, guess what? That is part of trading. That is part of the game you're playing. Understand, when you day trade, you are playing a game and you're trying to maximize what you can do to keep the odds in your favor. And one of them, believe it or not, is accepting losses. You have to be able to accept losses and not get emotional. The people who get emotional are the ones who keep losing more and more money because they don't see the markets in a rational way. I'm going to show you, hopefully, a couple rational ways to look at the markets and losing and how to change your mindset. So the first way is first be very self-aware before you enter the trade. It can be a winner or it could be a loser. And if it's a winner, good. If it's a loser, it's okay because it's only one trade out of 100 or 1,000 trades you're going to take. The second is you need to learn how to manage risk, okay? By managing risk, the number one plan, a rule that I have personally is always have a plan before you enter the trade. Know exactly where your entry, your target, and your stop loss are going to be. If you're able to have that plan, that's half the battle because you know that, hey, the market should not do this. I believe the market's going higher. Okay, we'll say we're going long. And if it breaks below, get me out. I'm dead wrong. The market is not respecting levels and not every trade's going to be correct. But if I am correct, I will be rewarded by receiving a winner on the trade. Again, be very self-aware, change your mindset, and losing is not a bad thing. Losing is just part of the game. But if you could keep your losses small, okay, and your winners bigger, hopefully, meaning, and I don't mean risk-reward ratio, I'm actually speaking about over 100 trades. If you could lose 30 trades and win 70 and have a one-to-one risk reward because you understand every time I enter I have a plan and I'm okay with accepting the loss, then that is what's going to help you succeed as a day trader. So hopefully that helps. Make sure you guys hit the like button, subscribe, and make sure check out my course down below. I also have a free ebook of my #1 day trading strategy. So again, that link's down below. But until my next video, we'll see you soon.